Hi, my glorious chefs. Welcome to Recipe Specialty, where we show you how to make a variety of recipes from eggs to eggceptional. In this video, I'm going to explore a delicious method for preparing venison medallions. What I used to prepare this dish was a couple venison medallions, of course, white wine, olive oil, minced garlic, minced shallots, butter, rosemary, and good old salt and pepper. With that said, let's get cooking. Start off by seasoning the deer meat with the salt, pepper, and rosemary. You want to be pretty generous here, as venison can be a bit gamey if not seasoned properly. Then, heat up some olive oil in a frying pan and add the venison cutlets to the pan. And you want to place them away from you so you don't splatter any of the butter or oil onto yourself, burning yourself. Then, toss in a knob of butter. Once the butter has begun melting, use a spoon to baste the meat with the melted butter. After the meat has browned, flip it all over and continue basting with the butter on the opposite side. Once browned on both sides, remove the meat to a plate, and then we're going to build our sauce. Add the shallots and the minced garlic, and then deglaze the fond with the white wine, scraping the fond off the bottom of the pan. Then add in another knob of butter and stir. Coat the venison medallions with the pan sauce. Serve and enjoy. Please let me know what you think. If you made this dish, did you tweak the recipe at all? Do you have any suggestions to improve it? Is there anything you do differently? I'd love to hear all your feedback, positive and negative. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm truly grateful for all the love and support. You all have been just way too kind to me. I love it. Thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Appreciate it. Thank you.
If you all liked this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe, check out the website. Ultimately, let's eat!